Hello friends, welcome back in my civil engineering study and construction channel. In today's video, let's understand the practical site procedure of constructing a reinforced earth retaining wall, which is also called an RE wall. In this video, I will cover the key construction steps, essential materials and main points from IRC, IS code and more. Please watch the video up to the end, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon all. So let's start. The reinforced earth retaining wall is a modern type of retaining structure used to hold back soil or embankments. It combines granular backfill materials with reinforcing elements, usually geogrids, metallic strips or geotextiles, to create a stable mass capable of supporting loads and resisting earth pressure. It behaves as a composite structure. The reinforcement resists tensile forces, while the compacted soil resists compressive forces. The different components of this RE wall are: number 1, fascia panel, usually precast RCC panel, placed in tiers to form the visible face of the wall. They transfer load from the soil and reinforcement to the base. Number 2, reinforcing elements. These are either metallic strips or polymeric reinforcements such as geogrids or geotextiles, laid horizontally between layers of compacted fill. Number 3, selected granular backfill, well-graded granular material, generally with less than 15% fines compacted in layers. It provides frictional resistance with reinforcement. Number 4, leveling pad, a plain cement concrete base provided at the bottom to ensure a level and stable foundation for fascia panels. Number 5, drainage layer and filter media. Proper drainage is ensured through a filter fabric or perforated pipes to prevent pore pressure build up behind the wall. Number 6, reinforced concrete coping. It provides at the top of finishing and protection. This RE wall have several types of advantages over traditional types of RCC wall. Number 1, it is economical. Uses less concrete and steel than conventional RCC retaining wall. Number 2, flexible. It can tolerate differential settlements and deformation. Faster construction. Prefabricated panels and modular construction reduce time. Number 4, aesthetic appearance. Fascia panels can be textured or patterned. Number 5, environment friendly. Uses locally available backfill materials. Number 6, ease of maintenance. Simple inspection and repair compared to massive RCC walls. Number 7, high load capacity, capable of supporting heavy embankments and bridge approaches. The procedure for construction. The foundation area is excavated to the required depth as per design. Soft or unsuitable material is removed and replaced with compacted granular material. The foundation level should be checked for proper line and level. A PCC leveling pad is laid, generally 150 mm to 300 mm thick of M15 or M20 grade. It provides a firm base and accurate alignment for the fascia panels. Precast RCC fascia panels are lifted and placed on the leveling pad. Vertical alignment and batter are checked. Temporary bracing supports are used till the backfill and reinforcements are placed. Reinforcing strips or geogrids are connected to the fascia panel using suitable panel connection system. Each layer is laid horizontally at specified spacing as per design. Selected granular backfill is spread in layers of 250 mm to 300 mm thickness. Proper compaction, that is minimum 95% of maximum dry density as per IS 2720 part 8, is achieved using vibratory rollers or plate compactors. Compaction is done carefully near the fascia to avoid panel movements. Next tier of fascia panels is placed above the previous one, ensuring correct joint alignment. Reinforcement and backfill placement are continued alternatively till the required height is reached. Filter fabric or granular drainage layer as per MORTH section 700 and 2700 is placed behind fascia panels. In case of poor drainage, a perforated PVC pipe is installed to collect and discharge the seepage water. After completion of backfilling, an RCC coping is cast at the top of the wall to lock the fascia and for neat finishing. The top is properly sealed to prevent rainwater infiltration. So friends, this was the complete explanation of reinforced earth retaining wall construction. These types of walls are now widely used in modern infrastructure projects because of their strength, economy and speed of construction. So friends, see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe and keep learning. Thanks.